Alright, so this is the SL55 blown V8. Backing it out right now. Yeah. Apparently these are both convertibles. Here's the first interior shot I get. See this. Alright, so you got some Alcantara right there. What else? What kind of wood is that?
It really is plastic still.
Oh, okay. I see a little bit of rubber on the back right here. Oh, the Lambo doors. Look at this. All right, that was an awesome touch right there.
That looks plastic. The lamps has to be closed.
For the convertible to go down? There you have it. Is this also? Oh yeah, so you got your little wind guard right here. Windbreaker.
Yeah, this thing has a
leather.
A roll bar that's built into it. And if you were driving the car and you lost control and it detected, and it's done it before to me, it'll scare the crap out of you.
Really?
This thing is spring loaded. So if you really take a hard G corner, and it thinks you're going to turn the car over, this pops up.
So you've gotten that close to...
Yeah. See, that's where that's your crack. That's your roll bar.
How fast does that pass up? Like when you're about to...
It's kept down.
Okay.
So it's fail safe. It springs up. It goes boom like a huge. I thought I tore something out of the rear end. You know.
That would scare the life out of me. Interior on this, still very similar. You got Alcantara right above the dials here. Let's focus that. Very nice interior. This is a little bit. Oh yeah, these are just padding. Stereo.
And that's the only man. That is the only guy that feels it. One guy feels it.
All right.
These are this is your active body control mechanism here, and that's the top of your shock.
All right.
It's electronic.
Yeah, yeah.
That is a when you run a smaller blower pulley, the blower belt will slip.
Okay.
So you run a self-tightening. That's a different pulley system right there that binds it down, so you can see.
So this is a car of uniqueness right here.
Yeah. So that's the blower pulley. This is the clutch.
Okay.
You reduce the blower pulley to an 84 or an 80, then the blower turns more RPM. Yeah. So your boost goes from 11.6 to 13.2.
All right.
And then you have to add more fuel because you'll run the car lean and burn it up.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have to get it tuned to make your car run more fuel. And then so that's why when it cranks up, it's wow. You know what I mean? Because it's throwing a lot of fuel to it. That plus the exhaust is I put about another 100 horses in it, so you're probably looking about close to 600 now.
Close to 600 when it was already a beast in the beginning with the tune, the exhaust.
There's little bitty things you can do to it to make them massively faster.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
One little bug goes wrong with something, you'll scratch your head for a week till you get that programmer and figure out what's wrong.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Shut the door on this. This is almost 600 horsepower, and he was telling me just about all the things you can do to get that horsepower up. Let's click in the seatbelt.
Car and Driver did the first review on it, and that's the first one you'll see. And the caption reads, "So fast, nobody makes tires for it." And what happened was, they built the car to beat the Porsche Carrera. And the Porsche Carrera would do 196 miles an hour, and this one will do 208.
Really?
And that's without nothing that I've done, you know, that's buying it. So what happened was,
So now it's gonna go way over.
all the earlier ones came in. They had to have restrictor plates on them to limit them to 155 because they didn't have any Z-rated tires built for a car. This car weighs 4,850 pounds when a vet weighs 32.
Okay, yeah. So
this one's heavy.
Yeah.
But you got a convertible hard top. You got, you know,
It has all inclusive.
Sorry. Now you're gonna feel a blower kick at about 3,800 RPM. That means the blower's coming on. It's online, but it's gonna belch.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And you can feel it.
That was a blower.
Yeah, that's right when it engages you. But on that one, it's not that drastic.
Yeah, yeah.
But on this one with a smaller blower pulley, it really just jumps. Yeah.
Is this paddle shifters?
Yeah, this one has, you can shift on the back of your steering wheel,
Okay.
paddle, and then it has, I shift.
Oh yeah, the down up.
Just shift down from here. And you have ESP, which is basically traction control.
Mm-hmm.
So, the worst thing you can do is try to turn a curve and hit it at one, you'll wipe out.
Oh,
you know?
I'm sure. Just like Mustangs.
Yeah.
Rear wheel.
Feel that's it right there.
Whoa!
That's 90 miles an hour.
That fast. Oh my lord.
Yeah.
Hey! Alright, yeah, I'm kind of sold on these. I need to get one of these.
You can buy them cheaper than you can a new Mustang, man. So I was wheel spinning.
Oh yeah, I felt
you
that.
the wheel
Well,
spinning?
and we hit some water too, so.
Yeah. But
This is gonna be great with the GoPro in the back. Can you imagine just all the?
I love to see it.
It was hard
that?
work. Yeah, yeah.
With the that's it, man.
Oh my! Yeah, that is. Okay, wait. Yeah, this has to be one of the fastest cars I've been in. This is amazing.
Yeah, look, the Mustangs and the Chargers and the Camaros and stuff, they'll play a little bit, but once they see or hear what it'll do, that most times they'll back off, you know, because most of them they ain't done very much to their car.
Yeah, see the. So these, I don't even know what they call these. Are these like actual? They're not just for show. They're actually like.
Yeah, they do. They do work. There's no vents. There's nothing on these cars really is for show. You know, everything has a purpose. And believe me, you'll find out if you make a modify. If you do something to something you're not sure of, something's gonna happen in here.
Yeah.
And it'll take you a while to figure it out. Normally, people that buy these cars are not like me.
Yeah.
Most of the time, they're businessmen that buy them and they keep them quiet and they run really fast, you know, but they never really do. But
They don't turn them into.
Yeah, they don't. Yeah. But,
I mean, this honestly kind of feels like a muscle car in a way.
Yeah.
It feels like a high horsepower, loud.
Yep. And the black one is the moderate. You know, the black one, like I said, I haven't put a tune on it. Although I need to, I haven't put.
That's gonna happen.
Yeah, I'll put a tune.
Oh, okay.
But this one will be severely modified here within the next couple of years.
Oh.
I'm going to put that 700 horsepower kit on it.
Okay.
And method, you know, get it running on meth, and it'll stay cool. And
oh my lord! Whenever that happens, I'll do a video on that for sure.
Alright, go over kick, feel it. That's not touching the gas. That's just it. And you can't keep it from shifting from first to second. You know,
can't keep it.
If you panic when you take off and forget to shift, it's going to shift for you.
Oh, okay.
But the wheel spin is so bad most of the time that you don't even get to shift it from first to second because it happens so fast.
It just shifts it.
Whap, whap, and you're in second gear.
Oh wow.
You know? So if you notice, I don't shift from first to second. I shift from second to third to fourth. You know, and you kind of take it easy on the old car after that because you know it's 16 years old.
Yeah,
Sometimes it'll still spin the tires from second to third, and you're doing 90 most of the time, and it's hard on the transmission. You know why you know do it like that? So, do it again. That's it right there.
Yep.
That means you're alive and well, man, and it's going good. So you're already in second gear. Already.
Really?
Yeah.
So if you were to, like, in a launch, would it not kick in before? Does this launch at all?
Well, if you run it up slow, you know, you don't have no launch on it.
Okay.
If you cut the ESP off of it, that means it ain't going to wheel spin. It will a little bit, but it won't near like it does now.
Does it bog the horsepower at all?
Put it this way: if you're going to run a quarter mile, you wouldn't wheel spin. You'd cut it off, and the car will override all the wheel spin, and you'd make a faster time.
Okay.
You know, but if you cut it on, you're going to get wheel spin, and it's not going to be as fast.
Yeah, yeah.
But it still will wheel spin with this on initially. You know what I mean? A little bit. But
yeah. Exciting piece of history here too. Yeah, that was a lot of wheel spin. Was that with the ESP on or off?
That's off.
Okay.
That's off. Now, if you want to do it with it on, you cut it on.
Here's with the ESP on. That was a harder jolt. That was a much harder jolt. Yeah. That was a neck breaker.
And it's brand spanking new. Hankook 285 R19 tires in the back. I just bought him yesterday.
Brand new. Yesterday.
Yesterday, man.
Lord.
Just bought him yesterday. The other ones, when I took it to the shop to let them mess with the modulator there, code, they called me and said, "Hey, man, the technician is scared to drive your car because the back tires are almost completely bald and there's some tread hanging off of them." I said, "Whoa!" Now the black one is the more docile one, you know, and it's like I said, it has no engine modifications. The only thing that's been done to it is the exhaust.
It's still a beast, though.
And then you go to eBay and you can buy a 2006 with 50,000 miles on it for $20,000.
Okay.
And I would highly recommend anybody that was wanting something that's beautiful. It's got a hard top, convertible, all that stuff in one car.
Now, how hard was it finding one with only 19,000 miles, though?
Listen, to rich people that paid this much money for them, they probably got 5 cars. So they just get ready to sell them, they'll take them back. There's two things wrong with it. Number one is a bank will not finance this car if it's older than 10 years.
Yeah.
You know? Because the bank, they consider it an exotic.
Yeah.
They say it's going to go faster than 200 miles an hour, so the insurance is going to be high, you know. But look at it this way. I don't think it would be as high as a new Mustang or a new Camaro because your car's 10 years old. You're not paying, but to replace it, it would, you know, you'd probably get, if you totaled it out, you'd probably get 15 grand out of the deal, you know? Yeah. So they're not looking at losing a $40,000 Mustang versus the 15.
So how many miles do you have on it now? I'm just curious.
Let's see here. This one's got 67 on it.
You driven this baby?
Yeah. I've had it since 2000. I had it since 2013. So
open up the door.
Hey, did you hear us about it?
I heard you. Scared the living hell out of you?
Yeah, this is actually really, really awesome. And are these decals right here? Did you put these on here?
Yeah.
It's a nice touch.
They come as sleepers. They're the original sleeper. People will pull up beside you and they'll never know what they are.
These stickers make it a little more obvious that it's a beast.
And the car was immaculate.
Carbon fiber?
Yeah, that's just
this plastic.
This is a new front clip and it's badly done.
Oh yeah, it went down too. Interesting.
Not only does your tire turn out,
it looks like it's slanted a little bit too.
It's canted.
Anyway.
Cambered, yeah. And it'll turn around in this driveway right here. You just drive circles. just turn around and nothing.
Well, it looks like the fitment is very good.
Yeah.
That is close. I don't even know if the camera can catch that.
Let's see.
Close fitment, man.
Chooky beat.